In the name of who, good morning to all of you wherever you are in the world. We are in Sydney, Australia. Time now is 7:28 a.m. Date is Thursday, 10th of August 2023. I find a level for you guys for Euro Australia. Before I do anything and say anything, please pause the video and read this. I go to the chart. I had a comment about the way I do trading, and people say they are confused and they cannot follow up. I have to mention this. We have two indicators which is my partner developed. These two indicators, first it gives us the hidden support and resistance in past, and then according to that level, if we have to buy, we need to see the green arrow or red dot to buy it, or if we have to sell, then we need to see red arrow. I'm going to explain to you guys briefly what I mean. First, I mentioned this. Look at this green dot, okay? This is hidden support and resistance. This candlestick is hidden support and resistance in past. We do not looking at the size of the candlestick. We do look at the level where the market maker had eyes on that. We don't know because we do not have access to those data that the big guys, big market makers, they have, and we have only a small platform from the brokers. So people working for hedge fund, they don't use this sort of platform, they use other stuff. So as a small retailer, we don't have ability to see what's going on, and we do not have those access to those data. So my partner, he developed this indicator, and he goes through so many things like volume, like all the data coming through, and then it gives us the level. When we find the level, for example on this red dot, when I find a level, I put the horizontal line under this candlestick, the small candlestick. This is very important level, okay? We put the horizontal line under the shadow of this candlestick, and the way we do the trading is this. Because we have green dot, it means this level is for buying. We do not buy straight away when price goes under it. No, although this is happening, is no doubt about it, it's very obvious, but the way we do trading is like this. We will wait, the price has to go above this horizontal line, and when price come in and pass through it, through this, come into this area of buying zone, and we get the arrow like this, either in this area we can buy to this level. If the price keep coming down to this area and we get the arrow, we will buy. Same thing. If the price coming past this one, this is another level of buying zone. Already price is above it. If the price coming under it, and then we get arrow like this, in this area we can buy to this. So in reverse is opposite. When we get a red arrow somewhere here, then we put, for example, imagine we got a red arrow on this one, alright? What we need to do, we put another horizontal line here. I'll show you. We suppose we get the red dot, not green, red dot in this candlestick. The way we do this trading is like this. If the price goes above it, we don't care. We need to see the price coming under it and pass through it, and then when we get a red arrow, we sell it to this. Okay, this is for selling. which I don't have it here now. Okay, so for Euro Australia, I find this level already. I mark it up and the price went above it, and now I'm waiting for price coming under it and to buy it. Okay, don't forget, because now is time in Sydney is 7:34 a.m. is the beginning of the trading. About 9 o'clock Sydney market would open, and as you can see, when the beginning of the any section, the asking price and bid price are apart from each other. You never enter to the trade because you lose money. The broker would charge you more commission. But when this ask price and bid price on top of each other, that's the good time to enter to the trading. You trade and then you lose less commission. You might doesn't know, if you don't know what is this asking price and bid price. If you go to property, if you go to show, it says show sorry, bid price and ask price. If you untick this one, these two lines, it would disappear. I just did that for you. The look disappear. So if you don't have that indicator, which all the brokers they offer, if you don't tick it, so when you enter to the trade, you wonder why your entry, you are here but your entry is here, and then you lose money because of this problem. Okay, now you can actually change the color. I have to mention this. You go to the color, you choose any color for bid price or ask price. Okay, now as I have mentioned before to you guys, we need to see the price coming past this horizontal line. If the price keep going up and never come back to this for some times, still this is valid. Okay, so this is what I have to explain to you, because some people ask me to explain the way we do because they were confused. So I hope I understand the way I said to you, you understand what I'm talking about. So please let me know your comment. I will try to help you guys free of the charge. We are not responsible for your action. We are not signal company. We are not trying to ask you any monthly fee as a signal company, or we do not ask you telephone number, credit card number or email. Nothing. We do not ask you nothing. All we ask you is, if you like to learn, you go to our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram. You will see all this that I've done it in past. 251 video. These are all live account, live chart, and you see what we said and what happened. So you can learn it free of the charge. And then if you feel confidence, first you do it with a demo account, then you go open your real account, or whatever money you have is all up to you. I'm not saying anything. All we do is all free of the charge. We're trying to help you guys to learn how to trade in the name of who. So please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. I'm gonna close this video. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.